Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do Gemini December month love reading, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone, and take what resonate and leave the rest. Okay Gemini, let's see your recent past. This is monthly reading for the month of December. So let's see your recent past Gemini. Nine of Cups, Page of Swords, Three of Wands. I think one person wishing for something in this connection. Definitely this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries and different states. One person may be spying on the other person if you are in separation, if you are no contact. Yeah, Three of Wands. I think one person may be turned their back from their person. Waiting for their person. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. But definitely some spying is going. But one person wishing for something in this connection in past. So let's see what is going on your connection. Then we will get more clarity. You or your person would be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Gemini. So take what resonate and leave the rest because this is general reading. Energy could be vice versa also. Queen of Cups, Judgment, Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, one person is waiting. They invested in this connection because Three of Wands with Seven of Pentacles. Definitely one person is waiting for the result because they invested in this connection. It could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa. And they have strong emotions for their person, Queen of Cups. And this person is always there for their person. This person is very caring and giving person. And this person has strong emotions for their person. Judgment, definitely some major decisions. So one person who always there for this connection will get justice. Definitely Seven of Pentacles, the invested person will get justice I am getting. So you or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see some more. Then we will get more clarity. Okay, this card is lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Gemini. Lot of readings got this card. Devil. You or your person could be Capricorn also. I think one person in this connection is stand by their power, Queen of Wands. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ten of Cups. I think one person wishing for reconciliation if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level because Nine of Cups with Ten of Cups with Queen of Cups. Definitely they have so much emotions for the other person and so many emotions. And Ten of Cups, definitely they want this happy life with their person. And some obsession in this connection, and one person may be obsessed with each other, or you both may be obsessed with each other, or one person in this connection may be addicted to some bad habits. So definitely there is some waiting game going between both of you if you are in separation, if you are no contact. If there is no waiting game, there is no contact, definitely one person want to take things to next level. But I think some major decisions I am seeing here because Queen of Wands with Judgment, heavy energy. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity, Gemini. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings towards you first. Then we will see their actions. Your person current feelings. King of Wands. Two cards. I'm taking only one. The Fool. Wow, yeah. I think you both are very, very passionate about each other because Queen of Wands and King of Wands. Definitely you both are attracted to each other and you both are strong couples. You both stand by your power. Definitely there is a lot of attraction between both of you. And the Fool with Ten of Cups, definitely your person want, yeah, 2 times Ten of Cups. I think this your person feeling they are wishing for this connection. I think you maybe turn your back from your person because you invested in this connection. In past your person maybe they not offer equal give and take, that's why you turn your back and waiting for your turn. Definitely your person then realize you both, definitely they want to offer this 10 of cups happiness to you, but you stand by your power, Gemini. I think there is some obsession also in past between both of you. The Fool with King of Wands with 10 of Cups, definitely they want new beginnings with you. They want to take leap of faith. Yeah. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely they want brand new beginnings. Let's see their near future actions towards you. Ten of Wands. Justice, Princess of Wands. I want one clarification card for 10 of Wands. Yeah, Hanged Man. Definitely they're feeling stuck when they are thinking about you. If you are in separation, Gemini, your person feeling overburdened. They are stuck right now. They are thinking about you a lot. Yeah, they want second chance. They are very, very attracted to you, Princess of Wands. Yeah. Your person also stand by their power, but there is a lot of attraction between both of you. They're attracted to you and they want second chance. Justice, Libra, you or your person could be. Definitely you are going to make some major decisions. Gemini, I am getting. Or your person maybe take some major decision regarding this connection, this relationship. But they're feeling overburdened or they're feeling heavy when they think about you. Yeah, they're stuck at you. They're stuck on you and they want reconciliation, justice. I want one more card, clarification card for Princess of Wands. 5 of Swords. Yeah, there are some misunderstanding, some disputes between both of you. Yeah, they want to resolve all these disputes. They want new beginnings with you. They want second chance, Gemini. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Then we will get more clarity. 7 of Swords. Lot of readings. Got 7 of Swords. The Sun. Knight of Wands. These are mutual energies. Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, I think one person in this connection is sneaky. You or your person could be, I think it's your person, Gemini. Definitely they are sneaky. And Knight of Wands, they are very, very passionate about you. But one thing in this connection is knights always come when they want and they go when they don't want. So these in and out energy may be triggering you a lot in these recent times. That's why you turn your back from your person if you are in separation. Definitely you stand by your power. Now they realize you both. Now they want you back. But if they want to be, now they want you back, there is no doubt they want reconciliation with you. They want second chance. But this time they are stable or not, depending upon your situation. So take what resonates and leave the rest and take decision wisely before giving second chance to your person. Because if same cycles repeat again and again, then it is not good for your relationship also. Okay. So you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and definitely there is some slow moving energy between both of you because Knight of Pentacles and the Sun card. For some, if it is third party, children is also involved. For some, definitely there will be reconciliation. For some, not, because 7 of Swords is here. Definitely some sneaky energy. If you are in third party situation and you know about it, definitely please don't give any second chance. It's my suggestion. Take if it resonates. Otherwise, leave it. Because at the end of the day, decision is yours. So let's see your monthly energy. Your energies: the Hanged Man, High Priestess, the Fool, and 8 of Pentacles. For some, you are working towards your career and goals right now. And the Fool, definitely you start something new in your life. For some, you want new beginnings with your person if there is no third party. And High Priestess, definitely you are listening to your higher self. Definitely you're trusting your intuition this time. And Hanged Man, definitely you're spiritually awakened. Yeah, awakening. You also spiritually awakening your person also. You also stuck, but your God's with you. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. 8 of Wands, Temperance, the World, the Star. Still they are hoping for this connection, and the World means cycle ending and new cycle begins. I already told you same cycles repeated. So if it is same cycles repeating again and again, then think twice before giving another chance. Temperance, definitely you person patiently waiting for the right time. And I think in past there is no balance in this connection. One person invests more than the other person. Your person could be Sagittarius also. And Eight of Wands, they, yeah, communication, definitely you both will communicate. Eight of Wands energy, communication, yeah, your person want to communicate, you will get communication from your person, and definitely they want second chance. They are very very passionate about you, they are attracted to you, Gemini. So it's up to you, give second chance or not. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel, and do support me guys. Click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.